So we have a little audience today. Molly, the dog, and Bing, the cat, are going to watch us make protein pancakes. Oh, well, she lost interest. All right, let's start with these wonderful, simple ingredients. We got some maple syrup. We're going to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons, which fits into that little 1/8 cup right there. And then we got the Greek yogurt, lactose-free, 0%. That's the one that I choose. I even use that one for the overnight oats recipe that I first did with you guys a couple months back. We're using the almond milk, unsweetened, is what I prefer. And these beautiful eggs that came directly from Julie's Chickens. Thank you very much for sharing those with us. So we're going to use 2 of those in this recipe. That's our protein source. So protein, some protein. And we got some cinnamon, a little bit of that. If you don't like cinnamon, don't have to use it. And also the last thing is the baking powder. So we're just using 1 teaspoon of baking powder just to make sure that the pancakes rise nicely. They're not super flat and undesirable. So we're going to make sure that everything mixes really well. If you would like to add some chocolate chips or some blueberries, go for it. But we'll just keep this one plain and simple for today. And let's show you how it's done. Flour. Don't forget the flour. Forgot to mention that at first, but we're going to use about 3/4 cups of that. You can substitute it for any type that you like. I just use regular unbleached all-purpose flour, so this one works really well for us. So if you use a different kind and it works out, let us know. Let's try the one-handed crack. Oh, yeah. Wet ingredients are all in there. We got the yogurt, the almond milk, 2 eggs, and maple syrup. Don't forget the baking powder. Time to mix with the handy dandy fork. Let's go. Okay, so this is the perfectly mixed pancake mix, no lumps. And if you want, you can put it in the refrigerator just to let it set and settle a little bit. You don't have to. So what we're going to do is just start making our little pancakes. Okay, using my little pancake / crepe flat pan. I love this little guy. We're going to use the heat, let's say, kind of between, I don't know, this stove goes hot. So between like low and medium low, but that's where I put it. Just kind of take it easy. Don't do it too high. And I'm going to make 3 pancakes in this pan. So we chose to keep them small, on the smaller side, but it's up to you how big you want yours. So I got 2 on there. Just 1 more to fit in this side. So I put like a couple of these spoons. Oh, just a little bit of a spill there. Whatever. Doesn't matter. It's a messy day. Bubbles. A little bit of brown on the outside, and it's time for flipping. Good job, Molly. You made the pancakes all by yourself. Very good job. Okay, I might share some with you. We'll see. So anyways, there you go. That's the finished product. They taste great. The second and third batch, like I can get 9 or 10 of these from that recipe. They look, a little bit more pancakey. It's just because I started with the butter, so like the butter kind of bakes into them. But they're still the same. They still taste great. Enjoy these. We usually do these on a Saturday or a Sunday. This is just our little treat on the weekend. And yeah, enjoy them, make them. Let us know how you like them and if you alter them in any way.